Six thinking hats is a powerful technique for decision-making that includes different points of view. The process and methodology allows emotion and skepticism to be brought into what might normally be a purely rational process, and it opens up the opportunity for creativity within decision-making. Edward de Bono's Six Thinking Hats, a framework for structured thinking that uses 6 metaphorical hats to represent different modes of thought. Red hat, emotions, allows for the expression of feelings, intuition, and gut reactions without needing justification. It's about emotional insight and instinct. White hat, facts, focuses on objective data, facts, and information. It asks, what do we know? And what information is missing? Blue hat, process control, organizes the thinking process, sets the agenda, and ensures the group stays on track and follows the rules of the method. Yellow hat, benefits, explores the positive aspects, benefits, and value of an idea. It's about optimism and finding the advantages. Black hat, risks, represents a critical, cautious perspective. It identifies potential problems, risks, weaknesses, and downsides, acting as a devil's advocate. Green hat, creativity, focuses on generating new ideas, alternatives, and creative solutions. It's the hat for possibilities and innovation. The benefit of using this powerful decision-making technique is that it creates a systematic parallel thinking approach. The core principle is that the group focuses on a single type of thinking at a time. For example, everyone uses the white hat to look at the facts, which creates a more productive and less confrontational environment. Used as a comprehensive thinking process method, the concept of the 6 thinking hats allows teams and individuals to improve their problem-solving and decision-making processes. Ultimately, such a methodology aims to look at situations and problems from various perspectives, ensuring that creativity aids in going beyond the habitual ways of thinking. It helps remove personal bias from the process and ensures that all options are considered before committing to priorities. In essence, the 6 hats direct you on how to think rather than what to think, which means it can be applied universally. The beauty of Edward de Bono's hats is in their simplicity. They are easy to learn and implement in your own work and are a great tool for group collaboration and decision-making. For example, if a group is asked to consider a problem with one hat at a time, they are less likely to be in dispute than when they are thinking from all perspectives. This often shows up as one team member looking at all the negatives while another is being highly positive and looking for all the good points. The focus brought by the hats can have a positive impact on the quality of thinking. Instead of the unfocused to and fro we will all have experienced when exploring a complex problem. You don't have to use every hat, all the time. Consider which ones are most applicable, but remember that using the hats in order can help to structure your thoughts. You may focus on one or more hats at any one time, but keep in mind that doing so can create conflict in thinking. The hats are better used one at a time. You can reintroduce hats as and when needed to provide more information in relation to new ideas or findings. In this sense, the process is iterative. The 6 thinking hats technique can be used in effectively handling problems and decision-making at personal end as well at work. It improves decision-making by providing a structured way to look at a problem from different angles, enhancing creativity and reducing conflict. It leads to more balanced and thoughtful outcomes by systematically considering facts, emotions, risks, opportunities, and creative solutions, while also improving communication and listening skills.